Hello everyone and welcome to our celebration assembly for this week. Next week is half term and it's amazing to think that we're actually half the way through this academic year already, and what an amazing half a year it's been so far. There's been so many incredible achievements to celebrate all around the school, both inside and out. So I hope you enjoy this week's celebration assembly and enjoy singing along with all of our songs, and we will see you after the half term holiday. Happy half term everyone.